In Northern California, the American Heart Association offers advanced cardiovascular life support classes, providing healthcare professionals with the specialized training needed to manage complex cardiac emergencies. ACLS certification is essential for healthcare providers working in emergency departments, intensive care units, and critical care settings, as it equips them with the knowledge and skills to deliver advanced cardiac care. ACLS are designed to accommodate healthcare providers at various stages of their careers, from novice clinicians to experienced practitioners seeking recertification. The curriculum covers a wide range of topics, including the recognition and treatment of cardiac rhythms, pharmacology, airway management, and post-cardiac arrest care. At Safety Training Seminars, we have over 70 American Heart Association ACLS testing sites, and classes are offered 7 days a week. Visit safetytrainingseminars.com for more information, to view upcoming ACLS classes, or to register.